Bula everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are on Mill Rock Island right here straight ahead of us. This is a freehold property with 360-degree water views. You've dreamt about having your own island? Guess what? It's right here, right now, and walk with me on to this island. 6,000 square meters, freehold title. This is next to Savusavu town, and Savusavu is on Fiji's second largest island of Vanuatu. This is a generator room down here, so you have backup power. This is Bala Bala, where they actually have oftentimes orchids growing out of the top through coconut husks, or you can put in little tiki torches. I'm going to take you up top to this just incredible property. You've probably been dreaming about, oh man, someday I'm going to own my own house, my own island. We've all dreamt about owning our own island. And guess what? Here it is, right here. Mill Rock is ready for a new owner. These owners have loved it, they've cherished it, but guess what? They're looking to retire, and now someone else is going to take this dream and make it their reality. Look at this views, and you can see the tide's a little lower right now, so you normally can walk out right here, and I'm going to walk you down. You're going to see the swimming pool. You can see there's gas barbecue here, huge veranda that's covered. They've made these steps down here, so when you and your guests come down here, you can go right into the water. And look at this, it's low tide right now. And normally, if you can see with me, there is the ladder. The water line is usually going to come up here on high tide. So as you can see, low tide right now. And here is a natural swimming pool area. So even in low tide, you can walk out here and go swimming. And how cool is that, right? This is your own island. There's some old oyster shells just there. And you can see, here's the inner reef. And then on the outside, that dark blue is that outer reef. Another private island here. And all of this beautiful, lovely, fresh air, breeze, plants, great coconuts. They have the coconut juice from the green coconuts called boo juice. And new are the brown coconuts. And that's where you get the flesh from, and they scrape that here and make all these wonderful coconut dishes here when they have their underground barbecues, and they call those lovos. There's your mountain views in the background. Savusavu has been famous for copra plantations and a lot of freehold land. So this is an extra special property, and we know this is the dream that everybody has had. So walk with me inside. I want to show you what you have here. Really cute place. You can see the cinder block. So this is really, really good, especially if there are any inclement weather, cyclones and things like that. You're not going to have any issues with this thing blowing away. But there's your gas stove top over there, little microwave, fridge, your double sink, and you see the tile throughout, so it makes it really easy, low maintenance. And it's set up now with 2 beds, so you can actually get a family in here. All these open up to that huge deck facing the water. This is a great Pacific green furniture set. This is natural rain tree that they've actually made this furniture, and they make a lot of furniture here in Fiji from the trees that you see growing. And here's a little desk area with some more storage and built-ins. One of the traditional Fijian clubs over there. Hopefully you won't see too many of those in real life, right? Nice shower stall, toilet area, sink with lots of space for storage. Another bed just to lounge and take in this view. And again, look at this beautiful Pacific green furniture. This is made from those coconut palms. So this is sustainable. It's almost like bamboo, grows very fast, and they make this exquisite furniture. So what you see here is actually what you get. So this is turnkey property, sold as is with everything in it. So even the little TV, so you can watch your Netflix, come out here, read a book, glass of wine, butterflies I see flying around in front of me, cool ocean breeze, huge deck. And look at this. Look at the views. This is your own private island. This is what you've been dreaming about. Everybody's dreamt about having their own private island. Come on. This is it. Look at that. Find out more about this and all of our listings. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. Other fun facts about this property, that this property also has plans for a potential expansion of up to 10 overwater bores. So if you wanted to run this more like a bed and breakfast, Airbnb or hotel, that's something you could look to do in the future. Or if you just say, hey, this is what I want right here, I want to be able to grab my bags, go to Fiji, and jump right into that swimming pool right there and just enjoy island life, Fiji time. We've got it, and we're ready for you. We hope you're having an incredible day. We hope this inspires you to live those dreams, manifest that reality that you truly want, because it's right here for you. Take one last look. Put a smile on your face today. Press pause. Give us a call at +679 999 2051. And go to professionalsfiji.com, where you can find your slice of paradise. Manaka.